For today's video, pag-uusapan natin what is system of linear equation into variables. A system of linear equation into variables is a system that can be written in the form ax plus by equals p and cx plus dy equals q. So kung mapapansin nyo, that two equation is called a system since it is more than one, or it is more than one equation. And when we say system of linear equation, any constants can be zero with the exception that each equation must have at least one variable in it. So as an example, we have y is equal to 1/2 x plus 2 or y is equal to x over 2 plus 2 and y is equal to negative x plus 5. So yun yung ating example ng system of linear equation. And we can have also system of linear equation na nakasulat in standard form or 3x minus y equals 7 and 2x plus 3y equals 1. So yung dalawa na yan is yung tinatawag natin na example ng system of linear equation. Now, when we talk about system of linear equation, meron tayong tinatawag na consistent system and inconsistent system. So pag sinabi natin consistent, these are the equation that has at least one solution. And when we say inconsistent, ito naman yung system that has no solution. So let us discuss one by one what is the consistent system and the inconsistent system. So when we say consistent, we have two kinds. We have the dependent consistent and or consistent dependent and the consistent independent. Kapag sinabi natin consistent dependent, ito yung system na merong graph which are coinciding lines. So ito yung example natin sa baba. So later on sa ating mga susunod na lesson, makaka-encounter kayo ng graph ng system of linear equation na kung saan ang kanyang line ay nag-coincide. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun, ang ating system or given has infinitely many solution. And then meron naman tayong tinatawag na consistent independent. So ang graph naman ng system na to ay intersecting lines. Ang mai-encounter nyo naman dito ay we have system of linear equation na nag-intersect at a common point. And that point is its solution. So in this system, we have only one solution. And take note also that kapag sinabi natin consistent dependent, we have same slope and same y-intercept. While in this consistent independent, dito naman ay meron silang different slope. Now for the other type of system, which is the inconsistent, ito naman yung mga given natin na ang kinalalabasan ng graph ay parallel lines. So ito yung itsura or example ng itsura ng graph ng system of linear equation na inconsistent system or it has no solution. Now, no solution because in our given linear equation, meron siyang the same slope but different y-intercept. So sa ating mga susunod na lesson, at saka lang natin mabibigyan ng example paano i-graph yung system of linear equation at kailan nyo may encounter yung three graphs na ito. So yun lang para sa ating introduction ng system of linear equation.